Welcome to Dakin. How to use My Projects software. On My Pro Shop, we have built-in software that can assist you for future projects or help create quotations direct to your clients. Dakin My Projects tool will optimize and streamline your sales. Before we take a deep dive into My Projects software, we have a few options where you can add equipment and then save to My Projects. This makes it possible to come back and modify later or add to cart for checkout for My Projects software. 1. In any Build Your system, there will be option to save direct to My Projects software. 2. In the Quick Order software, where you can add equipment, then add direct to shopping cart, and from shopping cart to create project quotation to save to My Projects software. 3. The main section would be in the shopping cart section. You will have option to save to My Projects software. So keep by for section where you can save and all will go to My Projects. Let's take a closer look at how it works. On the landing page for Dakin My Pro Shop, you will see that we have added My Project tab for your convenience. Alternatively, you can navigate top right of the web page. You will find My Account option tab. Click and you will have a blue drop-down with extra options. On this blue drop-down, you will see My Project on the left side. Click to go to My Projects. On the My Project landing page, we can now see saved projects. Let's start with the icons on the right side and explain each one. First icon we can see, by moving the mouse over we can see it's an Edit Project icon. This is where you can edit the project name or put your client's details. Next icon is the Edit Quotation icon, which we will dive in deeper later in this video. After that, we have a Download icon, where we can download a version of edited quotation onto our PC. A very important icon, Transfer to Other Employees. This allows you to share with your colleagues. We have also put a Copy icon. Maybe you want to make sure your colleagues do not change your selection when sharing. This allows you to copy then share. The Delete icon is next, which allows you to delete unwanted projects. The last icon is the Express Checkout. You can click on this when you are happy with your quotation for Express Checkout. The time has come where we will go to the Edit Quotation icon and start to edit quotation to suit your company needs. As you can see, the quotation software does have a few options to select from. When you arrive on the Edit Quotation page, you will be on Net Price page. As you can see, the selection icon is selected. This will be the price you buy from Dakin depending on buying status. So, to start. As you can see, we already have selected equipment, but want to add more. You do have an option to type material code and add extra equipment if needed. For this test, let's add some more equipment. Let's add FTX F25E to the list of equipment. Now we add RX F25E Outdoor to complete selection. You can change the quantities as you need. On the top, you can see you can add markup in percentage to the selections. At the bottom, you can add VAT in percentage. Now we have most of the information entered, but we can add more. You will see on the right side we can add short description of the units and dimensional drawings to your quotation by selecting the tick box. Further to adding all above, you also have more advanced options where you can add additional third-party items, which can be what you need to complete installation to the quotation. To set this up, please ask your sales representative to assist on setting up the extra third-party material or equipment. For the test, let's add 3-meter pipe length, isolator, labor, and transportation cost. As you can see, it will add to the quotation, allowing full solution direct to your client. Now you have added all the extra, you can now change over to list price, top left side. On the list side, you will have option to give discount to your client, let's say 2% for payment upfront. Now we have everything that we need, all the equipment, selected short descriptions and dimensions, and your additional items to complete installation. We can now click on Preview Quotation bottom right. This will generate the quotation with all selected functions and equipment. Once you have downloaded the generated quotation, let's take a look and break it down further. So, as you will see on top, you can set up where you can insert your company logo, which will display on the right side. Next, going down, we see option for project name, then reference and date. This would be for internal reference. Continuing down, we have installer details. Under installer details, we have a section where you can edit intro text for your company. On page 2, we will have the breakdown of equipment and third-party equipment. Under the grand total, we have section for terms and conditions and closing text. Further down, we can find material details of the DASA equipment with image and dimensional drawings, making it a full solution direct to your clients. Now, with all the project information and quotation done, when client gives you official order, you may go back to DASA My Project tab and click Express Checkout, which will pull all DASA equipment to cart, ready for checkout and process. We hope that all these tools that we offer make it effortless to enhance your company and generate future sales. Visit DASA My Pro Shop today and try our My Project software tool for a smarter, more efficient shopping experience. Your perfect project quotation is just a few clicks away.